Another man who's been so incredible, Jaron Smith. Where's Jaron? Is he around here? Jaron Smith. Man, have you done a job. You've done such a great job, Jaron. At least come up and shake my hand, will you, please? Come here, Jaron. You know, he works with us, and he's actually not, I always say he's so elegant and so quiet and so nice. They say, you don't know the real Jaron, so I want to see that. But what he does in the job he's done in outreach and so many other aspects of our lives is incredible. I want to thank you, Jaron. Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. We will uphold the sacred principle of government by and for the people. That's you. The corrupt forces in Washington, and they are corrupt, and that includes the media, because large parts of the media, not all of it, you have some great journalists, reporters, but large portions of the media are corrupt, perpetrating these hoaxes like never before. The very same people who have made a living selling out American workers to foreign countries. They were closing the factories. You're losing your jobs. They leave our country. They make the product. They sell the product in, no tax, no nothing. So we ended up with empty factories and no jobs. By the thousands, by the tens of thousands, and jobs by the millions. These are the same bought and paid for politicians who let special interests write the laws, who push trade policies to enrich foreign nations, and who beg far-left judges to rewrite the Constitution of the United States to impose their own extreme ideology. Because really no American community is going to be left behind. Any community. To help former prisoners get a second chance at life. We passed groundbreaking, and this is with liberals and conservatives. Some of the most conservative people in the Republican Party were so in favor of it. Senator Lee, Mike Lee of Utah, great guy. Senator Grassley, great guy, Iowa. So many people. Criminal justice reform. Everybody said it couldn't be done. And a group came to my office. Sir, please, would you help us? These were liberal people. And I said, I will. Van Jones was one. Nice guy. I wouldn't say he treats me too good, but that's okay. Van Jones. And he said, sir, we need your help. We can't get 5 senators. We can't get this. We can't get that. We need your help. We need your help. Please, sir. Help me. Please help me. I said, I can get you those 5 senators. And I called 5 or 6 or 7 to get the 5. Sometimes you have to call a little more than the 5 if you want to get the 5, right? You'll learn. A couple said, could I take a pass on this, sir? But I got 5 people, right, Jared? And we got the vote, and people were shocked. I said, go with me. What the hell do you have to lose? Remember that, Candace? I said, what do you have to lose? You're doing the worst in every category. You're getting it's terrible. What the hell do you have to lose? And I'll never forget, I got off stage, and my people came, sir, that wasn't very nice. I said, no, it's true. What do they have to lose? And you went with me, and I did get a good vote, I have to say. You went with me, and now you have the best employment numbers you've ever had, the best numbers, the best poverty numbers, so it's good. But the radical Democrats are willing to do anything to smear anyone and to lie about everything in their craven quest for power and money and other things, I guess. I don't want to tell you what those other things are, but they're not good, although maybe when the cameras shut off, we'll talk. They're trying to steal your vote. They're trying to steal your voice and steal your country. They're trying to steal your country. And they don't have what it takes. Shifty Schiff. How about Shifty Schiff? He got 4 Pinocchios today in the Washington Post. He lies like a son of a gun. He's been lying for 3 years. But we will never let that happen where they take away your country.